All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we are doing alternating series. And this is the definition of an alternating series is one whose terms are alternately positive and negative, and whose nth term is of the form, and you've got this expression, where an is your sequence, and you're basically taking this sequence Bn and you're multiplying it by -1 to some power, which will allow it to alternate. All right, and so this to the negative n minus 1 or to the just n will just determine if you start off with a positive or a negative. So here is an example of an alternating series, okay? So if you just look at this expression right here, we've got this sum, -1 to the n, multiplied by this quotient, n divided by n plus 1. So this entire expression is an. This portion right here, n divided by n plus 1, is bn. This part right here is what makes bn alternate. So if you were to expand this series, this is what it would look like. This would be the expansion. And if you look at just the terms for bn, the first term would be 1/2, the next would be 2/3, the next would be 3/4, and so on and so forth. When you add in this -1 to the nth power is what makes it alternate. So now, if we have alternating series, the next question is, does it converge or diverge? So the alternating series has its own test. So these are the conditions that you need for the test. The first condition is if you know that the next term is always less than the previous term, okay? Or if you know ultimately that it's decreasing. The second condition is if you take the limit of your bn terms and if they equal 0. So if both of these conditions are met, then you know that your series converges or is convergent.